In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your footage and compare the before and after using nodes. We'll start by bringing your footage into the project with a read node. The read node is simply your media loader. It tells the software where your clip lives on your drive and makes it available in the node graph. When you add it, browse to your file and confirm it appears in your viewer. If you're working with an image sequence, make sure the path points to the sequence rather than a single frame and give it a moment to cache. It's a good idea to check that the footage plays back as expected so you know you're starting from a clean baseline. Next, add a blur node. This node will apply the softening effect to your image. Think of it as a controlled way to reduce fine detail or smooth noisy areas. You can add the blur node to the graph and place it near your read node so your layout stays organized. Keeping nodes tidy will help you follow the flow from input to output. Now connect your footage to the blur node. Drag from the output of the read node into the input of the blur node so the signal flows through the blur. In the viewer, make sure you're looking at the blur node's output. You should see your image update immediately, even if the blur amount is minimal at first. With the blur node selected, adjust the size knob to control how strong the blur is. This is the main intensity control. Start low and increase gradually so you don't over-soften the image. Small increments often make a big difference, especially on sharp edges or text. If you need precise control, drag slowly or type in a value. Keep an eye on areas with fine detail or noise. Those regions will show you the effect most clearly. If playback stutters while experimenting, pause on a representative frame to judge the blur accurately. Finally, preview your result in the viewer and toggle the effect on and off to compare before and after. Press D while the blur node is selected to disable or enable it. Disabled shows you the original, enabled shows you the blurred version. Switch a few times and focus on high contrast edges, skin or background noise to see whether you've hit the sweet spot. Zoom into 100% for a true pixel level comparison and zoom out to judge the overall look. When the balance feels right, smooth but not mushy, you're done. That's the complete blur setup and a quick, reliable way to evaluate it.